Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn to read notes faster. Start with the fundamentals. The musical staff is your roadmap, featuring 5 lines and 4 spaces. Each line and space represents a different pitch. You'll encounter the treble clef for higher notes and the bass clef for lower notes. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial for quickly deciphering musical notation. Dedicate about 15 minutes daily to reviewing these basics. To accelerate your learning, employ mnemonic devices. For instance, "Every good boy does fine" helps remember the treble clef lines. Flashcards are incredibly effective. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day identifying notes. Consistent, short practice sessions are far more beneficial than infrequent, long ones. This builds muscle memory and visual recognition, making note reading second nature. Move beyond individual note identification to interval recognition. Instead of naming each note, see the distance between them. For example, recognize a third or a fifth at a glance. This approach significantly speeds up reading. Practice identifying and playing these intervals on your instrument for about 10 minutes daily. Connecting the visual pattern to the sound is a powerful learning tool. Don't forget rhythm. Practice reading rhythmic patterns by clapping or counting, separate from pitch. This develops a crucial skill. Then, begin sight reading simple pieces for 1 or 2 minutes every day. The goal isn't perfection, but consistent exposure. As you improve, gradually introduce more complex music. This holistic approach will dramatically enhance your note reading speed and fluency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.